Black women in America are 3.5 times more likely to suffer a pregnancy-related death than any other ethnic group. That statistic is from the Centers for Disease Control's recently released maternal morbidity report. Fox 4 Sean Rabb has more from the people who are coming together in Dallas to talk about this critical issue. Sean.
Critical and alarming, Clarice. And let me tell you, it's not just the pregnancy birthing experience that begins, right, with prenatal care, but in the weeks and months following and limited, if any, postpartum treatment. I want to take you now to a group down in South Dallas, a nonprofit working to improve outcomes. It's called Viola's House.
I started this program over 13 years ago to help mothers that were pregnant and facing an unplanned pregnancy.
Thana Hickman's South Dallas nonprofit, Viola's House, is trying to reverse the disturbing trend of Black maternal health cited in a recent Center for Disease Control report on maternal morbidity.
The issue with Black maternal health, not just here in Dallas County, but across the U.S., is Black women are 3.5 times more likely to die from giving birth than any other race in the world.
The reasons are varied.
We focus on the social determinants of health. A big piece of that wheel is mental health, along with housing, food, transportation, economic stability, and education.
One of the big concerns, often hidden, is mental health during and after pregnancy.
They're not talking about what they're experiencing for it to be screened properly and treated. And even family members, right, are struggling to really understand, how do I know?
Counselor and Viola's House Chief Operating Officer Casey Polite says 75% of mental health issues are not addressed in Black women because of negative attitudes about mental health.
It's not something that people want to own or recognize as a struggle. Right? So again, that's part of our commitment in the Black community to change that, because we're doing our community a disservice by not providing that space.
Thana Hickman hoping the change starts this week in Dallas with a Tuesday call to action conversation with United Way, Parkland Hospital, and others concerned about maternal health outcomes.
We need everybody to know that it's not just something that you're reading about, but that it's happening right here in our backyard.
Thana Hickman was in Washington, D.C. last week meeting with the Trump administration, talking about advocating for new services and funding for Black maternal health care. That meeting tomorrow at the United Way happens at 4:30 here in Dallas.